What's going on? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab for a really quick unboxing video on the brand new wireless Audio-Technica ATH-M50xBT Bluetooth Edition headphones. So if you guys remember way back a few years ago, we reviewed the original ATH-M50Xs, which are the newer versions of the original ATH-M50s, and they have a removable cable. Well, this takes it one step further and integrates Bluetooth into the headphones as well, so that way you can use these via battery power and you no longer need to use that cord at all. But these are the originals. The M50Xs are my favorite studio headphones. I use those for all of my video editing and for a lot of my studio work that I do as well. They're just great monitoring headphones, and they're perfect for DJs as well. I'll try to find that review someplace in my long list of videos and put that link at the top of the video description, so that way you guys can see the original review while you're checking out this unboxing. But let's just unbox these for now and see what we get in the box. And as always, within the next couple weeks, we'll have the full out review of the ATH-M50xBT edition. So make sure you guys subscribe for that. Alright, so first up we have a nice synthetic leather-like pouch, just as with the original ATH-M50Xs. You also have all of your warranty and instruction manual information right here. You have a USB charging cable. This goes to like a micro USB. Then you also have another headphone cable in here, so that way you can use these in wired mode when you're not using these in Bluetooth mode. And this cable is a straight cable. It's not coiled this time. It has an inline remote along with an inline microphone here. And this is the side that will plug in to your headphones. And on this headphones, it's a mini jack instead of your traditional bigger type of connection. And then you have a 90-degree angle on the straight coiled cable so it can plug into your device. Alright, the headphones themselves, they actually feel pretty lightweight, pretty similar to the originals. They look almost identical to the originals as well, which is very good because they have like a really huge fan base and they don't want to disappoint anybody by adding Bluetooth and changing the rest of the aesthetics to the ATH-M50s. And on the left ear cup, you have all of your controls and all of your inputs and outputs. The right ear cup is bare. On the left ear cup, you have the power button to turn the Bluetooth on and off. You also have the port for your micro USB. You also have the port for your audio connection. You have plus and minus, so that we can turn the volume up or down. And then you have that middle button, which will let you pause the music, also let you go forwards and backwards through your tracks while you're listening to your music. So these are pretty much the same as the others, but probably with the extra Bluetooth. But we'll have the full out review video for you guys very, very shortly. So make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and like this video. And as always, thanks for watching.